Yeah, that's what I always think too, Mike. When I see these guys sitting there, you know, knowing that basically their life is pretty much over as they knew it, and their freedom is basically going to be taken away for a very, very long time. But I got to disagree with you, Mike. I thought there was a tremendous amount of evidence. The two things that I think he couldn't get over were what were considered to be, at least by the ME, were strangle marks, significant strangle marks and bruises around her neck, which suggested strangulation. And then also his decision to lie, Mike. He told the officers that their relationship was fine. Didn't mention at all that he was having an affair. Now, you could say that's something maybe he chose not to mention for other reasons. But again, the lies just didn't make sense. And that's what pointed the finger at him. And then the evidence sort of backed that up.
The only pushback I had was just the fact that they had to prove every element beyond a reasonable doubt. Hey, what you just said is why the jury convicted him. And so clearly, you know, 12 men and women agreed with you. On this one, it just the way he testified and the lack of any other evidence, just to me, was it. The strangulation marks, you know, there was explanation. They had witnesses. They had they combated that. But yeah. If this was a civil case, I think he should be found responsible. But guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, yeah, that's a tough one. But it's done. It is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. And again, family members came in and said the wife had been sick leading up to the days where he says he found her dead. But again, not enough for this jury of 12, as you mentioned, Mike. All right, Mike, stand by.